She gave birth in the rain, but only one kitten survived. Her struggle to keep that one alive is unforgettable. Through relentless storms and harsh conditions, the mother cat fights every day to find food and keep her precious kitten safe, nurturing it against all odds. Each day is a challenge, yet the bond between mother and kitten grows stronger, filled with unwavering love and determination to survive. As the days pass, the struggle becomes their routine, but within that struggle lies a powerful story of survival and an unbreakable bond.